It's really easy to install your Sage software, and in this video we'll show you how. We'll start at the point where we've already downloaded the software and we're ready to install. You double click the download. The files are then extracted. The system is then checked to make sure it meets the system requirements. And then the license agreement appears, and you must accept this to continue. You tick the box and then click next, and then you need to choose the installation type. As you can see, we recommend the standard install. To accept the defaults, you click Yes, begin installation. Your Sage software then installs. Once installed, the software will automatically check to see if any updates are available. If any are found, you're prompted to install them. Once downloaded and extracted, you'll be prompted to confirm where you want to install the update, and this should be into the same folder where you've installed your main software. This should be picked up automatically. So in this case, we just click Yes. That's the update installed, and we click OK. And you then close out of the Sage Software Updates window. That's the installation of the software complete. We now have two choices, either to launch Sage 50 accounts or to close back to the desktop. We're going to close back to the desktop and we'll cover opening the software for the first time in our next video.